If you want no stress, no glue, and easy throw on wig, this one might be for you. So let's get into it.
Like snow in the spring, I just want your time. I just want your time, oh, time.
What's up, y'all? It's your girl, Candace, Denise, and I'm back again with another video. What's up, y'all? I hope that everybody's doing good, safe, sanitized, living. Loving all the people that love on you and pointing to people that point to you, because life is so short. So I just want to welcome everybody back to my channel. So today's video is dedicated to a wig install. New year, new us, new hair. We gotta be laid and ready and slayed for the gods. So we're gonna style and review, and I'm partnering with DYHAIR to show y'all this glueless, beginner-friendly closure wig. And I'll be doing a full unboxing, install, and we're gonna style Miss Girl. I kind of feel like I want to do some curls for the girls, but we're gonna see. We're gonna see. So you can see exactly how it looks from start to finish. So if you're someone like me who loves an easy throw-on wig, y'all know I love a throw and go with no glue stress, no added pressure. Now, shout out to the glue girls. I'm one of the throw and go girls. I can't do the glue. I haven't reached that level of wig hood yet to be able to do that. If you want no stress, no glue, easy throw and go, this one might be for you. So let's get into it. This wig, of course, came neatly packaged, and it came with a little tote bag. It comes with a mesh weaving cap. And let's get into the unit itself. Oh, now right away I noticed how soft the hair feels straight out of the pack, y'all. No strong smell, which you know we love that. Lace is already cut, pre-cut. So I'm excited to see how it looks when I put it actually on. So let me give you all the exact hair details, because I know my girls love specifics. We love the details. So this is Peruvian human hair, loose deep wave. I wanted to go with a little texture this time. Look at that curl pattern. The color is a P427. It's got highlights in it, 22 inches. It's 200% density, so it's nice and thick, made with 3 bundles, 5x5 HD lace. The girls that get it, okay? It's a medium cap size, glueless cap. The lace is pre-cut, and it comes with a band. That part I love, because that means I can get this wig nice and snug so it won't budge, okay? So this is a wear and go wig, so it's meant to be super easy. No glue, no got to be, no nothing, no extra steps. Unless you want to customize it and go the extra mile, we're aiming for a throw and go. So I'll make sure to leave the direct link to this wig in the description box so you can check it out for yourself. Let's try Miss Girl on. So I already have me a stocking cap on already. So let's try this wig on just to see what kind of adjustments we need to make. I'm thinking the middle part. Let's tighten this band up, and it also has the clips on the side, and there's one in the back. Oh, nice and snug. Okay, so yeah, definitely a middle part. Oh, okay. Oh, I love this color, y'all. This color is so pretty. And you know what? The curls are actually already given. The only thing I think I need to do is like curl the top. And what I'm gonna do is part Miss Girl, use some beeswax, hot comb this part. It's already curled. Like, I really love the curl pattern. So I'm gonna curl that, and then we'll be back for the final look. So stay tuned, okay?
You got me overthinking, yeah, where we could be. Needed some clarity. I'm in too deep now. Build up a picture, fantasies, just you and me, like it's meant to be. Can't you see, baby? You got me overthinking. When you come closer to my body, a delicate touch of instinct, moving slow but my heart's racing, yeah. Your fingers sliding down my chest. What do you want from me? Lately it's been nothing but a mystery. Curiosity has got me wondering if this'll be alright. I want you in my life for more than a night. You got me overthinking here, what we could be. Needed some clarity. I'm in too deep now. Can't help but picture fantasies. Just you and me, like it's meant to be. Can't you see, baby? You got me overthinking. Yeah, you got me overthinking. You got me overthinking. You got me overthinking. You got me overthinking. Yeah, you got me overthinking. You got me overthinking. You got me overthinking. Okay. Yeah. Logically, it don't make sense to me. I don't see what you see. For making me wait to call you my lady. Making me contemplate, trying to calculate what your side state. Tell me why hesitate. Why you keeping me at bay? Don't wanna be in the gray. Baby, I really love your curves, but I need my answer straight. Do you want from me? Lately it's been nothing but a mystery. Curiosity has got.
See the flower? Got her. This is the final look, and I'm in love with the curls. I was in love with the curl pattern that the hair originally came in. I'm so impressed, y'all. Then I can play with this and, you know, I want to be in my face, or if I want it to have that flip over look, and I feel like the look is achieved. So this P427 highlight color is giving grown, giving soft, and it's very much giving rich energy in all the girly vibes. And y'all know that's me all the way. The hair has a nice natural shine. It's not super shiny. It moves beautifully. It's soft, and the loose deep wave pattern is just everything, y'all. I think this is actually my first loose deep wave. I'm super impressed, y'all. And what I love most about this wig is that it's super easy. You literally can throw it on and go. Like, I didn't have to do any tweezing to the part. The only thing I did was add a little concealer. I didn't even tint the lace. I didn't at all. So no glue, no stress, no drama. All vibes. I'm gonna go to the mall, y'all. Seriously, I'm gonna go to the mall. I'm gonna put on a cute outfit and go to the mall. I gotta be seen. Okay. So if you're looking for a beginner-friendly wig, natural-looking lace, full density with movement, glueless convenience, this one is definitely worth checking out, okay? Make sure you check the description box for all the hair details. I'll have a direct link to go directly to DYHAIR's website, so you can purchase this wig, and I'll have a little coupon code so you can save some money on your order. So make sure that you like this video, y'all. Make sure y'all drop down in the comments. Do you love the color? Are you feeling it on me? Do you like the curls? Let me know down in the comments, y'all. Make sure you like this video, and most importantly, make sure that you're subscribed to my channel and have those notifications turned on so that when I post a video, you will know and you won't miss it. So I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for your love, and thank you for your support. And if no one else has told you that they love you, just know that Candace Denise does love you from the bottom of my heart. And the bottom of this P427 loose deep wave unit from DYHAIR, okay? I love y'all, and I will see y'all in the next video. Love you guys.